Hey children, good morning. Children, today we shall be taking Unit 5. There is Part 2 that, as you know, that we'll be having two parts in one unit. Unit 5, Part 2, there is poem, Lily Bell and Thistledown Song. So here there are some creatures in the poem and how they are waking us up, awaking us. Waking means what? After having a sleep, we'll awake, right? The next day morning. Or else for an hour or like that. In this song, this particular poem is talking about the morning awakening. Awake, awake, for the earliest gleam of golden sunlight shines on the rippling waves that brightly flow beneath the flowering vines. Okay, awake, awake, look, there is a lot of sunlight over there, bright colored sunlight. And the flowering vines, that means the branches, these small and slender branches, and their flowers are calling us, they are telling. Awake, awake, for the low sweet chant of wild birds' morning hymn. That means, see, look, the birds are chirping and calling y'all. Come on, get up, dear children. Comes floating by on the fragrant air, through the forest cool and dim. Then spread each wing and work and sing. See, they are coming with the colorful. The birds are colorful, right? With their beautiful feathers, in the colors, beautiful feathers, and they are spreading the happiness all around. Come on, awake and look out there. They spread each wing and work and sing. Through the long bright sunny hours over the pleasant earth. See children, he gave OER, that is over. This is shortcut of over. Through the long bright sunny hours, that means the daytime, it's a long and the brightest sunny day, right? Over the pleasant earth, we journey forth for a day among the flowers. Here the creatures, again these small creatures are telling, over the daytime in the bright sunny light, we journey forth, means come forward, that means go one flower to another flower, to pick up the nectar from the flowers. Awake, awake, for summer wind hath bidden the blossoms unclose. That means here the flowers are unclosing. Unclosing means what? Opening. The blossoms are opening. Hath opened the violet soft blue eye. Violet is a kind of a flower and it is also with its soft petals, it is calling us. And awakened the sleeping rose. Here rose is also awakened. It also just wake up from her sleep. And lightly they wave on their slender stems. Wave means with their tiny slender, the thin stems, they are just waving. The flowers are waving and welcoming all the creatures. They are saying good morning to all. Fragrant and fresh and fair, waiting for us as we singing come. To gather our honeydew there, then spread each wing and work and sing. They are calling us. They are calling us to come and take the nectar from the flowers. Who are calling? The flowers are calling. Through the long, bright, sunny hours, the bright, sunny hours in the daytime, over the pleasant earth, we journey forth for a day among the flowers. We go forward from one flower to another flower. We go and collect the nectar. So what do you think children? Who is talking in the poem? Who will collect the nectar from the flowers? Honeybees. Yes. Honeybees are talking and they are just asking her to wake up. Look, there is a bright sunlight over there and how beautiful the colorful birds, colorful flowers are opening and they are calling us and they are saying good morning to you all. You open your eyes and look at around in your environment, how beautiful it is, how lovable it is, and how they are calling beautifully. They are inviting and welcoming us to provide the nourishing and the tastiest juice, the flower juice to us, so that we suck the nectar from the flower and turn it into the honey dew. Okay, let's read the poem once again. Awake, awake, for the earliest gleam of sunlight, of golden sunlight shines on the rippling waves that brightly flow beneath the flowering vines. Awake, awake for the low sweet chant of the wild bird's morning hymn. Wild birds means the birds which live in the jungles. Comes floating by on the fragrant air, through the forest cool and dim. Then spread each wing and work and sing. Through the long bright sunny hours, over the pleasant earth, we journey forth for a day among the flowers. Awake, awake for the summer wind hath bidden the blossom unclose. Blossoms unclose means, as I said you, flowers unclosing, that means open. Hath opened the violet soft blue eye and awakened the sleeping rose, and lightly they wave on their slender stem, fragrant and fresh and fair, waiting for us as we singing come to gather our honeydew there. Then spread each wing and work and sing through the long bright sunny hours over the pleasant earth, we journey forth for a day among the flowers. Very, very nice poem. So, by seeing the birds in the poem, you may think that the birds are singing song, but you are not correct. You're wrong. Here the honeybees are singing the song and they're telling us about the beautiful flowers, beautiful birds and beautiful sunlight, radiant sunlight, how they all are wishing and welcoming us. See, you can see the violet here, the flower, and the rose, how it is awakened, and the different little flowers and little wild birds and the beautiful sunlight. So children, once again, the important thing here is, related to this poem, you will not be getting any kind of notes. Okay, nor spell words, nor meanings or question answers. Anything we are not going to write it in the notes. Only you need to go through the poem oral, and during the exam also we are going to ask you this poem oral only. Okay, after the class you try to recite the poem by seeing only. If you get perfectly, without seeing also you can say to your mom. By seeing you can record your voice, so that even I can understand that you guys got the poem, how to recite the poem. Okay, then in the next class we shall be taking up unit 6, and before that I need to tell you that this poem, Lily Bell and Thistledown Song, is written by Louisa May Alcott. Okay, who's the poet of this poem? Louisa May Alcott. So if you want, you can do the what we call opposite matching, and the grammar you will be getting the link, but related to this poem you will not be getting any link, but lessons you will be getting. In the next lesson, unit 6, the man with the magic feet, will be taking up. Okay children, take care of yourself. Bye bye.